Hello there, and welcome to Extreme World. The northeastern region of the United States recently experienced a severe Arctic blast, a weather phenomenon that brought with it an unprecedented amount of snowfall. The areas most affected were those located south and southeast of Lake Erie, with the snow eventually shifting north. This significant winter weather wreaked havoc in many communities across the Northeast, leading to at least one fatal road accident. This weather event marked the first significant lake effect snow of the season, affecting parts of the Great Lakes and the inland Northeast. The heaviest snow was recorded in Constableville, New York, where an astounding 42 inches of snow fell. The National Weather Service in Buffalo, New York, issued a warning about sharply reduced visibility during peak travel times on Wednesday morning. With an expected snowfall rate of 1 to 2 inches per hour. The impact of this cold weather is far-reaching, affecting not only daily life, but also transportation and agriculture. The cold weather can have a significant impact on farming and field management. Furthermore, weather extremes can directly impact physical access to food by disrupting food supply to markets and access to markets by people due to dysfunctional or blocked transport routes. This can lead to physical well-being issues due to the climate extremes themselves. The recent Arctic blast in the northeastern United States has had a significant impact on daily life, transportation, and agriculture. It serves as a reminder of the power of nature and the importance of being prepared for such extreme weather events.